Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix verification failure your password is incorrect. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, try to sign in. Type your password. As you can see, verification failure your Apple ID password is incorrect. So first of all, type on don't have Apple ID or forget it. Type on forget Apple ID. So here you have to type your Apple ID. Type on next. So there are two methods to reset your password: reset by email and answering by security question. So I'm selecting reset by email. Type on reset by email. So password reset sent on email. As you can see, I have received an email from Apple. Open it. Scroll down and here is reset now. Type it. So enter your new password. Scroll down and reset password. As you can see, password has been changed. So now you have to sign in with new Apple ID password. As you can see, my Apple ID has been signed in successfully right now. So thanks for watching.